Unlock the full potential of your online business by seamlessly connecting your WordPress site with System.io for powerful marketing automation. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left-hand menu, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type System.io and hit Enter. Locate the official System.io WordPress integration plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, click on the Activate button. This will bring up the integration settings. Now, you'll need to connect your System.io account. Log into your System.io account and navigate to your account settings. Find the API key section. Copy your API key from System.io. Be sure to keep this key private, as it grants access to your account data. Paste the copied API key into the designated field in your WordPress System.io plugin settings, then click Save Changes. You should now see a confirmation that your WordPress site is connected to your System.io account. This connection allows you to directly link your WordPress forms to System.io funnels and automate your lead generation. You can now create forms within WordPress and easily connect them to your System.io funnels. Any leads captured through these forms will automatically flow into your System.io account, ready for nurturing through your automated marketing campaigns. This integration is a game changer for entrepreneurs, bridging the gap between your content and your marketing automation for a truly streamlined online presence.